edition. That was Jamie, Katie, Haley, Danny, Megan, and Maureen. And I have to tell you that this Saturday, Haley was the first time that she did an event, and her mom had a smile from ear to ear on her face. Okay. Our next dance is going to be bagpipes. Is that correct? Okay. Okay. You know, Judy Crenshaw is the team captain of this particular dance team, the Highland Strippers. Oh, darn, I mean the Highland Steppers. What a mistake. Judy was over in Europe not too long ago, and while she was there, she visited Scotland. So what do you think she did? She bought bagpipes, she brought them back, she talked one of her friends into learning how to play them. Then once he learned how to play the bagpipes, we had to learn how to dance to it. We've got somebody changing with the next question. So now I can introduce to you the Highland Steppers doing bagpipes.
Crazy.